guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's nice to have you. Feel free to check out my other YouTube channel, Laura Forde's videos too. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making, so here I have 1 3/4 cups of flour. I'm using gluten-free flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a half a teaspoon of baking soda. I have a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a half a cup of sugar, but you can use 1 cup of sugar if you desire. Okay, so now we're going to combine our wet ingredients together. Okay, so with our eggs, we want to mix this for about 5 minutes. Now I know that's a lot of time, but doing that helps to incorporate air into our egg mixture and helps our muffins to be nice and light. Okay, so after our 5 minutes, we're now going to add in our half cup of coconut oil. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now we're going to add in about 2 to 3 mashed ripe bananas. Okay, so now we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. And we're just going to incorporate and mix everything together nicely. Okay, so now we're going to use our ice cream scoop, and we're just going to fill our cupcake liners 3/4 way up with our mixture. And then we'll put our muffins in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. There you have it, folks, our delicious banana muffins. Enjoy!